guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this gorgeous natural afro look using crochet hair. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Rattail Comb and my hair clips to achieve this look. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair on the side exactly the way I'm doing, just a straight line going all the way to the back. So once I section that hair out, I'm just going to use my hair clips just to hold the rest of the hair out of the way. I'm just going to do some basic cornrows going all the way to the back, sis, okay? Braiding all the way down is so easy, sis. I already have a tutorial on how you can cornrow your own hair all the way down. I'm just gonna put the link over here. Make sure you watch this video once you're done with this one, sis, okay? But while I was still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any updates, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Today's shout out goes to my girl, it's Toma. That's my sis from another mother. You better make sure you check out her YouTube channel as well. She's doing her thing over there. Give her some love for me, please, sisters, okay? Anyway, thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for all the love. So once I'm done doing my cornrows, I'm just gonna take my Jamaican black castor oil and make sure I moisturize my scalp. You wanna make sure your base is really nice and juicy. That way you don't have any breakages. That way your hair is nice and safe, okay, sis? I'm going to be using the Expression Spring Afro Twist. This is in color number 1B and it is 24 inches and I'm going to be using 2 packs, sis, okay? So it does come 3 in a pack and I'm going to be using 6 altogether. That means that's 2 packs, sis. All I'm gonna do is take it out of the pack and then I'm going to be cutting it into 3 pieces. I wanted to make sure the afro looks legit. I wanted to make sure it looks like my natural hair. I wanted to look like, you know, Miss Tupo1 just got a twist out with her own hair. And I'm going to be using my crochet needle, just a basic crochet needle. I'm going to place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then close it. Once you close it, you pull it out, and then you take your fingers and place it into the hole right there. Take the crochet hair, place it in, and then pull it out. So that's all I'm doing right there. Very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. And when I tell you this is easy, you better believe me, because listen, it took me 30 minutes and I was out the door. Okay, so as I'm going through, I'm just gonna be using my hair clip just to hold the rest of the hair out of the way. You're going to place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take your crochet hair, place it in the hook, and then pull it out. Once you pull it out, you're just gonna place your fingers into the little hole right there, and then take your crochet hair, place it into the hole and pull it out. And I'm just securing it 1 time, sis, because that's enough. This hair is really nice and coarse, so you don't have to, you know, secure it 3 times, 4 times. It's going to be all right. You don't have to do much, because I'm not going to be combing out this hair, sis. I'm just going to, you know, play with it with my fingers, and that way it's not going to unravel, sis, okay? So if you want to have an afro, if you've been dreaming about growing your hair and your hair is acting up, sis, don't worry, I got you. You know, I got all the tea. You can actually achieve a good fro using some crochet hair and you will be out of the door. When I tell you this hair just feels like natural hair, believe me, it is nice and soft. 2024, we are here on a very good start. We are here grinding. We're about to make that money. The business you wanted to start, this is the year. You better get into it. Make sure you get it together. If you wanted to start that school, you wanted to start that business, you wanted to start the YouTube channel, make sure you get into it, okay? I'm going to show you guys again. You're going to place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take your crochet hair, place it in the hook, and then pull it out. Once you pull it out, you're just going to place your fingers into the little hole right there, and then take your crochet hair, place it into the hole, and pull it out. And just securing it 1 time is good, sis. You don't have to do too much. I want it to look like, you know, I had a twist out or you know, a braid out or whatever, but something natural, sis, okay? So that's what I'm going for. I already know this hair is going to come all the way through, period. And your girl had the baby. Yes, aunties, yes, you guys, you already know I had the baby last year, and baby is doing great. We are good. She is almost 3 months. Can you believe it? Oh my God. These babies are growing way too fast. Slow down, baby girl. Chase is doing really, really well, being a big sister, and I am just blessed right about now. Place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. And then once I do that, I'm just gonna place my fingers in and then take the crochet hair again and then place it into the hole and then pull it out. And just securing it one time is good, sis. You don't have to do too much because you wanna make sure you are thinking about the takedown as well. You don't wanna be tangled once you're trying to take it down, sis. So that's all I'm doing right there. Very, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. Make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousins, your besties, your mamas, and your aunts as well. No bad hair days in 2024, because guess what? You're going to be watching Tupo1's videos and you are going to get your hair done and look pretty. Take my scarf and put it on my shoulders, that way I don't have hair all over my body. All right, so I'm just gonna take my scissors and make sure I'm cutting all the flyaways and shaping it a little bit, that way it looks realistic. It looks like Miss Tupo1's hair grew overnight or whatever. And this is a very good protective style because, sister, when I tell you this is 30 minutes and you are out the door, believe me. If it's gonna take you longer than 30 minutes, that's okay, sis, as long as you get it done. You don't have to beat yourself up. And as you guys can see, it already looks really good. It looks like my natural hair. It looks like my Tupo1 grew her hair overnight. For my sisters who want to know how long can you guys keep this hair in, you can actually keep it in for like a month or so. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna take my Jamaican black castor oil and make sure it looks really nice and shiny, using my fingers just to pull it out here and there. And baby, when I tell you, this afro came all the way through. Yes, sis. I am loving this natural hair situation or whatever. I am feeling myself in this afro hair, sis. It is nice and light. It is cute. It looks like my natural hair. It looks like Miss Tupo1's hair just grew overnight and it is actually just chilling, okay? This hair has taken me from 0 all the way to boom, 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 100. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying it. Let me know if you guys are feeling this natural afro kind of situation or whatever. Because, baby, I am feeling myself right about now. And if you don't want hair in your face, all you gotta do is push it back and baby, when I tell you, I am loving this situation as well. I'm loving how natural this hair looks. I'm loving how legit it looks. I'm loving how it turned out, sis. I'm telling you, this hair right here took it all the way to 100, period. And you already know the earrings are in stock. You better make sure you check our website out. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. The earrings are in, sis. You better make sure you run. Don't walk, run, sis. But thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Let's get to 1 million subscribers. For 2024, we are manifesting that. We are working towards that, and we will get it soon, okay? But thank you guys so much for all the love. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Make sure you're sharing my videos with your cousins, your besties, your mamas, and your aunts, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.